How to set up Slack channel. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Setting up Slack channel is an essential aspect of organizing communication and collaboration within your Slack workspace. You can create different channels to work for a particular task and then manage the members as well. So first of all, access your Slack through the browser, and on the side panel you have the option of channels. If you tap on it, you can see create. Now tap on create channel. First of all, you need to give a name to the channel. Once you have given a successful name or a relevant name, tap on next. Now you have to decide the visibility of the channel, which could either be public, that is anyone in the workspace, or private. After that, you have to click on create, and then the next step is of adding people. To add any people, you just have to give the Gmail account or the username of the people that you want to add. After that, tap on the done button. Click on add, and you have successfully added or sent an invitation to the Gmail that you have just added into the workspace. And this way now you have the option to edit or customize your channel. In the view channel details, you can change the channel name, description, and such other options. You can also enable notifications, and if you tap on huddle, you can also start voice or call in the channel. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.